Welcome
Hi
back!
guys! We are back after 1 year with a new video.
Woo!
It's a new space and we have a new project.
Yeah! It took us a while to get all these items, but I hope it worked out. So today we'll be making some mahjong resin. Let's go!
So here's the list of things we need: 100 ml of epoxy resin 2 parts, 3 resin dye powders, acrylic paints, heat guns, measuring cups, droppers, wood stirring sticks, needle tip bottles, weighing machine, and lastly, mahjong silicone molds. Whew, that was a workout.
First, we added 38 ml of part A of the resin, 13 ml of part B hardener. Stir it for a long time till fully mixed. Here, add white dye powder and stir that well too. Slowly add the white resin using a dropper. We try our best to get the resin into all the small edges. So we just keep dropping the resin until it reaches half the mahjong mold. And lastly, we use our heat gun to remove any bubbles on the surfaces.
We're done!
So we're done with the first layer. We need it to cure for the next few hours before we can put the next layer, the colored layer, on.
Break time! We're back! We're back! We've let this cure for 5 hours. Hopefully it's hard enough for us to put the second layer on top. We're not gonna let it totally cure because it'll take too long. So hopefully the layer now is hard enough that when we pour in the second layer, it won't mix.
Yeah, and for this layer, we're gonna use blue glitter powder and green glitter powder, like for the back of the mahjong towel.
Yeah.
Here we go again. Add the remaining part A resin and the part B hardener. Stir it thoroughly until your heart is content. Add the blue and green dye. Stir it very well again. Moments of truth. Let's drop the blue and green resin onto the white mahjong layer.
So, we realized that we messed up. Our new layer was merging with the white layer. So, pro tip to everyone, please make sure that your first layer has set well enough to hold the next layer. If you Google the ideal setting time for resin to set, you know what? Double that amount, please. Just to be safe. But we tried to make the best out of everything by making cool patterns with the dyes. Okay. Thank you for watching. The end. Subscribe, like, bye.
No, we did a bit!
Oh yes. Stay tuned for next button. Nah. Okay. We'll see you. Bye.
We're slightly disappointed at how it went, but we're done.
But we're done. I mean, it could turn out nice or it could turn out bad.
Yeah, hopefully it turns out nice.
As long as the white layer remains
White at the
untouched.
bottom.
Yeah, as long as the blue and the green layers doesn't go to the front, then
Yeah.
it should be okay.
Yeah, and if it can cure, then that'd be good.
Yes, we will wait for a week this time. Maybe.
Yeah, let's wait a week.
Yeah.
We'll give it a week. And then
Yeah.
see you in a week.
Okay, see you. Bye.
We're back! It's been a few days and we're happy to say that our resin has set properly. So hopefully it will turn out nice. Can't wait to reveal it to you guys.
And here we have actual mahjong towels that we borrowed from our friends. So we just want to compare and see how ours match up to theirs. Please be good, please be good, please be good. Take mine out. Oh, that looks good. One. Ooh, we have the number 7. Qi in Chinese.
I don't know what this is.
Zong.
Zong! I have the zong.
We have the qi.
Yeah. Time to paint!
Mickey's enjoying himself.
Yeah. He's keeping himself busy.
Good, that's what we need in a cameraman. Mickey, you're hired.
How much am I paying?
We probably shank 10% if we
ever make
we
any
ever
money.
make money, not when we make money.
I would like to have 15.
No, you also get 10.
I'm much better than Cheng though. I have passion.
You help us get to 1k subscribers, then we'll consider.
Not important.
A bit unbirdy.
The bird looks a little bit unbirdy. Cool.
It doesn't look like a bird at all.
Cool.
I mean the editing
You
part.
can see me in the background being done with life.
You know what we should do? We should make a coffee.
Ta-da!
You didn't tell me to say, I just said ta-da!
Okay.
Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
So we're done with trying to paint our mahjong resin, and this is the end results.
I hope you enjoyed watching and hope to see you in our next future video.
If we have one.
In a year time.
So if you enjoyed learning how to make mahjong resin with us today, please like and subscribe, and we'll bring you more nothing but crafting videos soon.
Yes. But also
Okay. And shout out to our cameraman.
for being extra.
Mhm.
Mm.